Okay guys, so I have finished the packaging. I do hope that you enjoy this video and see everything that has been done. And then guys, on Christmas Day these packages will be delivered. Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican with Tania. I am your lady Tania. This is part 2, and today on Christmas Day I will be delivering care packages. These packages were taken from the barrels that were shipped to me from Cindy British over there in England. Please remember to support her YouTube channel. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so this is where we stop on one of our visits. We're going to give Miss Pearl one of the care packages. This is where Miss Pearl lives. Miss Pearl has one. Oh, she don't have no legs. Oh, she has no legs, but we're waiting on her to come out so we can give her the package. Hello, Miss Pearl.
Well, Mom, how are you?
Yes, I brought a little care package for you here on Christmas Day. Alright, so how you managing?
Well, I feel God thanks and praise.
Okay.
Yes, man.
Oh, so just open?
So here, so can't open? You can't open?
You do even that? Yeah, man. You do. Yes, man.
Oh, you look a company this, the dog.
Yes, man. And two of them, you know.
Okay.
Every one day.
Okay, this is for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You may enjoy it.
Yes, ma'am.
A lady overseas send it. Cindy British.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, she send it so you can have a great Christmas.
Yes, ma'am. We share the same.
Yeah, so how you managing here?
Well,
You alone?
me alone. Me I figure God thanks and praise.
Yes.
You know, when time me anything, me get up, me do it. When me not do it, me just
Yes.
like myself.
Alright then, so be safe and enjoy your Christmas.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Alright, so take care.
Yes, thanks,
blessed now.
And tell her many thanks.
I will tell her.
Yes,
Alright, all the best.
Yes,
Yeah, man, thanks.
You drive good enough.
Yes, me take my time.
Madman depend
The road, not true.
And no one not happen to you.
Mm-hmm.
You see, for madman depend you.
Yes. Alright, so enjoy your Christmas and I'll see you another time.
Yes, and many thanks, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Be blessed now.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Alright. Okay, guys, I gave Mr. Simit one of the bag. Mr. Simit, show me a bag now. You just run gone left me so. I see me run here struggle. Cindy British send it from England. So yeah, just tell her thanks.
Thanks, Happy Christmas.
Yeah, on this Christmas Day.
Happy New Year. When New Year comes, we give Father God thanks and praise, ma'am.
Alright.
Please and thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, man, take care.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Morning. I see me see up on your bicycle, but me I say Christmas Day me I give you one package.
Yes, man. My friend.
You want the package?
Come on. Is that? Oh, God.
Oh, wow. Man, the bike lick you done.
Bless you, man.
Eh? You appreciate it?
Yes, man.
I want a lady from overseas send it. She named Cindy British.
Yeah.
Yes, so me happy so me could drive you done.
Please,
So you not hear me I blow you?
me and I blow what you not pay attention.
To the road.
Yes.
That's me, lady, man.
Yes.
And my cousin over there,
Okay.
Baker, Joan,
Okay.
that's a baby sister. So God good.
Yes. Yeah, I appreciate it.
No, man, me not turn back for. Some people me have to pray for them. Willow Lane.
Yes.
Oh, so you can put it in your bag.
Yes, man, me have to put it in the bicycle. They can't Jamaica.
Alright, later then.
Respect you.
And
Have a blessed Christmas.
yeah.
I see you travel, man. God cover you, man.
Yeah, man.
Take care of yourself.
Alright. Take care, you hear?
Respect you.
Yes, yeah, man.
how you doing? You remember me? Guys.
When I say remember the vice. Which one are game?
Diabetic.
In diabetic? Just game. Game 1. Hello, how are you?
How about sister?
We'll drop off one little package here for you.
Oh, God Almighty, man.
Yes.
Have a Merry Christmas, yeah?
Yeah, enjoy your Christmas though.
Yeah.
Okay, so you cook for yourself?
Me short and my friend.
Eh?
Me short and my friend.
Who are your friend? Wait.
Mervyn.
Oh, okay. You know Mervyn?
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
James in Mervyn last week. I was somebody in.
I never know. So you know Mervyn, man.
Mervyn coming like a brother, man.
Yes, yes. See, we appreciate this then. Me giving it to you. One lady overseas, Cindy British sent it.
Yeah.
So, you can help yourself. Are you cook and so on though?
Yeah, man. And me niece and my sister cook.
Okay, good. Alright, so later. Take care.
Alright.
All phone, all phone.
What do you mean old phone? Just put in the chip and work.
Well, you know, so me have one phone home, but you know all in new.
Me know, man. Me have big one phone.
Alright, me I go carry phone come give you. The one when me have home,
Yeah.
me have it, me put it up, so me carry. You just, I want banger.
You no problem, man.
Yeah, so you just put your chip in there and then it will work. Alright, later then.
Thanks.
So one lady
man.
from England did send some stuff.
Yeah.
So, me, yeah. Me want to give you one bag.
No problem.
The macaroni drop out. Yeah, then. Yeah, put it in. Alright, so me just
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah, man. So tell her thanks, Sammy.
Yes.
Tell a lady thanks.
No, me not really think they. Let me just put on. So.
No, just say thanks and that's it.
What's her name?
Cindy British.
Hello, I'm Charles, Cindy British. I say thank you for the holiday gift, and I appreciate it. And I want you to have a wonderful new year and take care of yourself.
Alright, so yeah, man. So take care.
Have a blessed day now.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah, man.
How are you doing?
I bet you know my said he are going to whole Christmas done.
You vex with me?
Yes, I mean, see you.
You would even know the holiday busy. I put on your water can give you.
Yeah.
So they're fully drum.
Yeah, no. Work on it.
Thank God. Them a do the plumbing for me. Oh Jesus! Thank you. You should I put on our CIG out here,
I
so.
don't know about them a work on it. Courtney work on it.
Maybe a CIG.
I don't know about
See a bag here. One lady from England send it. Cindy British. So me have to go left 1,000 you buy some drink or something.
No funny, see.
You know?
Funny, man.
Me never know such here, man. Oh, thank God. So him a go do the plumbing so that the water can. Oh, so he set up the stand. And he do the one for the bathroom. This is very good. Thank you so much. It's just that you guys can put in the tank now because you run the pipe. So him build the manual, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm him build, man.
Oh, God.
What me go there now?
Yeah.
Okay, some big stone down there, so if you drop in this.
Yeah.
Set the tank on it.
Oh, okay.
You see. So I want a elbow now and say I'm going to get you now. You go down in the tank.
I appreciate it, man. And if you short of any funding, you reach out to me.
Yeah.
But if you can't get it, that's fine. Just give me number.
You say I'm help me. I'm work up at things.
So big him up now, man. And them carry water, no, sir?
Yeah, man. You have to give thanks to Mr. Courtney, man. If I found over him, man.
Yes, your plumbing would have finished up, not true?
Yeah, me. Him know so me give him enough respect, man.
Yes, and him stuff up the hole there, so.
Yeah. But him say I'm going to work on the whole level.
Yeah, man, me appreciate
You
it.
this first.
The same work on the plumbing.
You can go look inside of his standpipe inside.
What?
Yeah, they go on no afraid to step up.
It's my cousin, you know.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, she helping me out.
Yes.
So, me don't know if I can beg him help you build one little cupboard or so.
Yes, anything I tell you want to do when you need time.
So, he set up a pipe, man, and everything.
So him say more get off. You see, so when take off now,
Yes.
more get a sheet of solid.
Thank God. And him put it up in the ear.
Yeah, so him say, well, you want to go to the boat.
Yes.
So him just line up here.
So, when you bathe now, the water will splash on this.
Well, him will paint it, he say more get
Yes.
He say more do everything.
Me appreciate it, man. Courtney, me not even sure if I put on our CIG, but thank you so much. Oh God, thank him so much. Thank him so much. In our community he come from?
That's somebody you know, man, in the security work.
Oh my man, me appreciate it so much.
He must see head security work and you can give them order.
Oh, me happy for him. Oh, the man who did come here. Yes, me appreciate it so much. Him, me say me.
One lady come find and carry one sheet and one spread.
So big her up no man and tell her thanks. Or you tell her thanks already?
Yeah?
Oh, good.
How you come from, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So this will sort out and then you me say me appreciate it so much. Me can't even wait to tell him thanks. Well, how are you cook for your
No, this is chicken I cook the rice and me done.
I think me not even sure. I think rice in this, you know.
Yeah, hear me?
Hmm?
You have to come back and check me, you know, because you have to give you some food, you know.
Yes, me come back and check you, man. And wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
Well, wish everyone in the whole entire world a good
Merry Christmas.
And thanks everyone we do something for you.
Yes.
And any more citizens around and can help the little old man.
Yes.
Willing to it.
And you appreciate it.
Yeah, man, willing to.
You're the home and a relax and you have up your house and everything.
A few years ago, I couldn't do so.
That's true, man. Alright, so I'm going to leave you. I'm happy that Mr. Courtney I help out because I say he did struggling with the plumbing to finish up.
You see?
Yeah. Then get tally.
So me know so well then you can have yourself call feet.
Yeah, they call them grow tall.
You will come back when peer are fit.
Yeah, always have peer.
I love peer.
Yeah.
Always have peer. So okay, man, come for $1,000, yeah?
Yes.
Can yeah.
The money and the people and me had an hour to that.
Oh.
3 times a week or 4 times a week.
Mas Bob.
People them on the road.
Parcel data. Parcel data. I carry one package can give you for your Christmas. See it here. Me don't know if you can manage your cork if you go put it inside. Woo! I'm gonna drop out. So how is everything?
Everything alright.
Okay.
I may want to see it too.
What you want?
Never see it.
Oh, you want to see it? Alright, me try and find it on the phone now. Yeah.
I never see it find it.
Alright, let me try. Yeah, you know, so I can drive go up there if you want. I'm going to say hi to my girls. I know one man up there now when I could have. Oh, so only 2 plyboard you would have want?
You want to eat? Come let's show you. You're afraid to come, man?
You look here, I can't walk fast like you, miss.
Come on, come.
Yeah, make it look like me walk far. Oh, okay. So that you did want to show me, so you need some plyboard. Okay.
Well, I need to rectify.
Me see it.
From inside to outside.
But I tell you now, I no lock up there.
No, I lie down. I near me, I can near up it. I lie down.
But them the nail then hard to come out.
I want to look. They do a wide open for me, you know.
The person come in.
Yes, when I come in, I want me chop after it back. I don't know who if you run to but when it tempo when me in when me chop after a person, I ball out. And my mother come in a night.
I can help you.
Yes, I want machine.
Okay. Alright, so me believe you now then, cause I just a package me can drop off still.
Yeah. see that whole of it want to rectify. And my daughter, them men say them a come rectify.
Okay. Patricia. What happened? Alright, come let me just present it back to you.
Yeah, man.
You know, say our package me can drop off, but she has show me her house. Miss Oka, give me a minute. So see it here, the Miss Cindy British send it to you. So she say you must have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a prosperous.
Yeah, so now me see your house. So if anybody can send some plyboard for you, I guess they will work it out. You hear?
Yes.
Alright, so take care.
Yes. Be blessed and a prosperous new year, and I hope you may enjoy everything.
Blackie.
All the packages were delivered, guys.
Alright.
Do have yourself a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of